Okay, dear students, now let us see question number 8. Problem 8. Okay, what they have given, you see, let A and B be sets. That means here A and B are sets. Show that function A cross B to B cross A. See, A cross B and B cross A are here Cartesian products. Cartesian products. Cross. Okay. Such that f of a comma b is equal to b comma a. Okay, this is the function between these two. Okay, and we have to show that this is a bijective function. Bijective function means we have to show that this is a one function and onto function. That means injective function and surjective function. Both we have to show. Okay. See, if you find such type of problems, set A, set B, we have to design. Why? Because it has not yet given. While designing the set, you take as minimum as number of elements. Why? Because that will be easy for further proceeding. Okay. Let us see how I am taking. First, let me draw A cross B and B cross C and function also. Then we will draw arrow diagram. Okay. Then only we came to know that this is a one function or not or something like. Okay. Now what they have given, A cross B we have to design. That means first of all A set B we have to design. Let us design set A. Let A is equal to say 1 comma 2 and B is equal to 3 comma 4. Okay. Now see, like this simple you have to take. Okay, let us take A cross B is equal to, see, both should be different. Why? Because A cross B, B cross A are there. Both elements you should take separate. That means you are designing here. We are designing. A cross B is equal to 1 comma 3 comma 1 comma 4. Okay, and 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 4. Okay. Now you can make even B cross D also. How to make B cross D? B cross D, before making you write again B and A. Why? Because otherwise you may get confused and you may do mistake. Say B is equal to 3 4 cross A is equal to 1 comma 2. Okay, again I am doing here down the line B cross A. B cross A is equal to 3 comma 1 comma 3 comma 2 comma 4 comma 1 comma 4 comma 2. Okay. Okay. Now let us go for function also. Why? Because this is a Cartesian product. Cartesian product we have made ready. Now these are two sets we have made ready. Now we can write this arrow diagram with these figures. Okay. See, let us draw this one like this. Okay. Okay. Now function is there. This is A cross B. This is B cross A. Function is between A cross B to B cross A. This is function. Okay. Now A cross B having 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4. B cross A is having 3 1 3 2 4 1 4 2. Okay. Okay. Now see how function depends on function, relation will come. Let us go for function. Function, this is the function. Okay. F of A comma B is equal to B comma A. Okay. See, F of A comma B means A cross B. This is input and output. 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 is equal to, see here a b reversed, function made it like that. Okay, if you give a comma b, that is coming out a b comma a. That means if you give 1 comma 3, that will come out 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1. Okay, okay. Now you go for remaining also. F of 1 comma 4, that is equal to f of 4 comma 1, f of 2 comma 3, that is equal to 3 comma 2, f of 2 comma 4, that is equal to 4 comma 2. Okay, okay. Now go for this relation, arrow diagram. See, 1 3 to 3 1, 1 3 to 3 1, 1 4 to 4 1, 1 4 to 4 1, 2 3 to 3 2. Okay. Now see 2 to 4, 4 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 2. Okay. See, now this is the relation and the function is this one. Now you tell me by seeing the arrow diagram, show that bijective function. That means we have to show that this is a 1 1 function and also onto function. Okay. Now is it 1 1 function? Yes. Why? Because see, each image is having only one pre-image. 3 1 is having pre-image as 1 3. 3 2 is having only 3 2. 4 1 is having only 1 4. 4 2 is having only 2 4. Okay. That is why this is 1 1 function. Okay. Write that one. How to write? This is 1 1 function, comma, as each image has only one pre-image. Okay. Now 50% over. Now whether is it onto? Well, because 1 1 means injective. Injective 1 1 both are same. Onto and surjective both are same. Is it surjective? You see here no element is left and codomain and range both are same. Then this is called surjective. Write the same. As codomain and range are same, comma, this is surjective function. Surjective function. Okay, surjective function. Finally, this is bijective function. By above, this is bijective function. Okay, you understand that? Okay, like that we have to finish the problem. Okay, now let us go for 9th problem. Okay, now you see the 9th question. What they have given? Function between natural number to natural number, n to n. Okay, and the function is n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd. See, in natural numbers, odd numbers are there, even numbers are there. Okay, in natural number 0 will not be there. 1, 3, 5, 7 odd numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8 like even numbers. If you give odd number, that give n plus 1 by 2. If you give even number, that even number divided by 2, the result. Okay. Now we have to see that whether this is bijective or not. Okay. Let us draw arrow diagram with n and we will do function also here. Okay. Okay. You see. Both are n, f. Okay, here several natural numbers are there, but let us first draw the function f of n is equal to n plus 1 by 2 for odd numbers. Okay, and 2 3 odd numbers I am going to take. Two numbers I will take. Say f of 1 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. F of 3 odd number, next odd number 2 we should not take. 3 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. See, 1 to 1, 3 to 2 is there. Okay, I am writing here. Say 1 3, but here 1 2. Okay, now I am making this connection. 1 to 1 is there, 3 to 2 is there. Okay, now what I am doing, I am making this function for even number also. F of n is equal to n by 2 for even numbers. Even numbers. Why? Because see, even also is there. N plus 1 by 2 odd, n by 2 even, n by 2 even. Okay, 1 by 1 I give. First even number I give 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. F of 4, that is equal to 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. Why? Because this 4, where you have to give n. Okay, 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. That means 2 to 1, 4 to 2. Okay, same thing you write here also. Okay, now 2 is there, 4 is there, but connection is 2 to 1. Say 2 to 1, 4 to 2, 4 to 2. Okay, now you stop and see. He is asking, is this bijective? See, for bijective it should be injective and surjective both. That means 1 1 and onto. But this is not 1 1. Why? Because many 1. Each image is having 2 pre-images. 1 is having 1 and 2, 2 is having 3 and 4. Okay. See, here itself we can stop. We can say that this is not bijective as this function is many 1 function, because 1 is having 1 and 2 pre-images. Say, this is onto or not, we need not go further. Justify he told. Okay. This will be onto. Why? Because see, for each number, 2 numbers will be there. For every, see, for odd number also, odd even there. For even number also, odd even there. Okay, like that, it will be onto. But first we have to write, is this bijective? No. How to write? You see. Each image is having 2 pre-images. Therefore, this is many 1 function. Not eligible for bijective. Okay, this is not eligible for bijective. Why? Because see, here we need not write onto also as per me, or else you can write this is onto but not 1 1, therefore this is not bijective. Okay, now we go for 10th problem. Okay. See the question number 10. Okay, let A is equal to R minus 3 and B is equal to R minus 1. That means these are real numbers. In real number domain A, normally function means from F to B. Okay, let me study full question. B is equal to R minus 1. Consider the function from A to B defined by, this is original function, this function is from A to B, like that he is explaining. X minus 2 by x minus 3 is the function. Is F 1 1 and onto? He is questioning us whether it is 1 1 and onto. Justify. Okay. If you observe here, A is a set having real number, R is real number, but 3 is not there. Okay. And codomain. Codomain B. See, from A to B means A is domain and B is codomain. codomain is doesn't have 1, but all real numbers it is having. Okay. Logically, if you think first, why he is giving r minus 3? If we give 3, 3 minus 3, 0 will become, and x minus 2 by 0 is undefined. That is why he is mentioned r minus 3. Okay. Like that, even if you see x value also, then in terms of y will come. At that time, if you put y, automatically that is going to become undefined. That is why in y also they have not given 1. Okay. Now you see, first of all we have to show that this is 1 1 and onto. Let us show one by one. 1 1 and onto. What is the procedure for showing 1 1? For 1 1 I am writing, you see. For 1 1. Okay. What is the principle? F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. If we are able to prove this one, then we can declare that this function is 1 1. For 1 1. Again we see onto also. Okay, let us see first this one. F of x1. Again I am writing f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies. See what I am going to do. In place of x all I am going to write x1. x1 minus 2 by x1 minus 3 is equal to x2 minus 2 by x2 minus 3. Okay, implies. Okay. Now you see, you do cross multiplication. x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3 is equal to these two and these two. x1 minus 3 into x2 minus 2. Okay, these two. Again you write implies. Okay, this implies you write there. I don't have space. Multiply this x1 x2 minus 3x1 minus 2x2 plus 6. 2 into 3, 6 minus minus plus 6 is equal to this also. x1 x2 minus 2x1 minus 3x2 plus 6 implies. Okay, now you wait and see. x1 x2 is equal to x1 x2. Both side x1 x2 we can cancel. Okay, I am not going to cancel. Why? Because I am going to cancel like this. Okay, x1 x2 x1 to cancel. Plus 6 this also you cancel. Okay, then you write this one. Minus 3x1 minus 2x2 is equal to minus 2x1 minus 3x2. Okay. Okay, again we write implies. Okay, now x1 you send x1 x1 one side, but while sending you see which one is bigger. This one is bigger. If you send that side, automatically this minus is going to become positive, negative going to become positive. Like that you have to see. Okay, then this also, if it comes here, automatically negative, positive it is going to come. 3x2 minus 2x2 is equal to 3x1 minus 2x1 implies. Is it correct? Okay. Now 3x2 minus 2x2 x2 is equal to 3x1 minus x1 x1. Okay. Now we can write LHS is equal to RHS. What is LHS? LHS is equal to fx1 is equal to fx2. What is RHS? RHS is equal to x1 is equal to x2. These we have proved. That is why we can declare that this function is 1 1. By above you write like this. By above function f is 1 1. Okay, f of x y all are equal. Okay, f is equal to f of x is equal to y all are equal. Okay, function by above f is 1 1. Like that you can write and close 50% of the problem. Why? Because 1 1 and onto is asking. Justify means whatever you are doing, this is justification. Okay, now we go for onto also. Okay. For onto, what we have to do for onto? Say f of x is equal to y is equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. Okay. F of x is equal to y, how to show? First let me write this one. For onto, we have to show that f of x is equal to y. LHS, RHS, okay. What is f of x, comma, you put f of x is equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. But you can take this y is equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. Okay. Again you put comma. Then what you have to do? You have to cross multiply. Okay. Y into x minus 3 is equal to x minus 2, comma. xy minus 3y is equal to x minus 2, comma. Okay. Now take common of this x minus 2. Okay. Take common of x. X if you take, no, y you have to take common. Y is there, common. Y is there. Okay. Y if you take x minus 3 is equal to x minus 2. Same thing is going to come. Y is equal to, but we want y. We have done some mistake. Okay. Y is equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. Okay. X minus 3 into y is equal to x minus 2. Okay, this is okay. Then xy minus 3y is equal to x minus 2. This is also okay. What we do? We send 3y that side. Xy minus x minus x. Okay. Only x you send this side. That side if it goes 3y positive, 3y minus 2. Okay, now okay. What you have to do? Take x common. X if you take common, y minus 1 will come. That side 3y minus 2, like this only. Okay. Now x is equal to 3y minus 2 by y minus 1. This you keep in box. Okay. Now you keep this in box. Now you show that f of x is equal to y. If you keep this x as a x, then y should come. Okay. F of x is equal to f of, what is x? 3y minus 2 by y minus 1. That is equal to, you see, f of x is equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. That means x means this one you have to write. 3y minus 2 by y minus 1 minus 2 divided by 3y minus 2 by y minus 1 minus 3. That is equal to, okay. Now you cross multiply again. 3y minus 2 minus 2y plus 2. Okay. Divided by y, because y minus 1 is there. Denominator we need not write that 2 times. Okay. Then again 3y minus 2 minus 3y plus 3. Okay. Okay. Now you see 3y minus 2y. Y minus 2 plus 2 0. 3y plus 3y minus 3y getting cancelled. 3 minus 2 1. That is equal to y. Now f of x is equal to y has been come. See, this is x only. Now f of x is equal to y. Finally, ultimately y has come. Now you write LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, this is onto function. Or the f is onto function, or surjective. Earlier one injective, or you can write, you know very well. This is bijective. Finally, this is bijective. That also you can write. Okay. Now we go for 11th question. Okay. See the 11th question. function between real number to real number. This is objective question only. A, B, C, D are there. We need not do big calculation, but we simply analyze. Be defined as fx is equal to x to the power of 4. Okay, real numbers are there, both sides. Real number to real number connection is there, but there is no minus 0, minus 1 or something like. All real numbers will come. That means 0 also will come, everything will come. Choose correct answer. Okay. Now you know 1 function, onto function, 1 but not on. These 4 functions, whether 1 or not 1 and onto, many one onto, not onto, or like that we will see what is the answer. Okay, if you observe this x power 4, see analogy I am making. Fx is equal to x power 4 means, see, if I give f of 1 power 4 1, f of minus 1, see real number, minus 1 also will be there, minus 1 power 4, that is equal to minus 1 square 1 square 1. That means for f of 1 1, f of minus 1 1. That means many one function. This is many one function. You see what are all there many one function? F is many one is there. Neither 1 nor onto. Neither 1 means many one only. Okay. These two are correct. Let us wait for second also. But F is 1 like he is telling, you cross it. F is 1 like he is telling, you cross it. Why? Because this is not 1 this is many one. Many one. Okay. Now we go for onto also. Okay. Say here with the same number only. See, minus 1 if you give plus 1 has come, plus 1 if you give minus plus 1 has come. What about this side minus 1? Only see minus 1 and plus 1 both are having relation with plus 1 only. But here what about minus 1? Minus 1 left that side like that only. Minus 1 doesn't have any relation with domain. Therefore this is not onto. Okay. That means F is neither 1 nor onto. Okay. This is correct. This is wrong. Answer is D. Square, cube okay, but square to the power of 4 like that comes means it is not going to become 1 and onto. This is logic. By seeing this we can write. For this much calculations already we have done several problems, several questions. That is why with only less explanation I have given answer. Why? Because this is objective question. You need not do much calculations and all. Okay, objective question means A, B, C, D only you have to keep. Let us go for 12th question. See the 12th question. Let function R to R f of x is equal to 3x. That means function is 3x. Choose the correct answer. Okay, see, we know the formula. Now rather than this arrow diagram, formula will be simple. With that formula we go. Say f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2 comes means this is 1 function. Whether it is 1 or not we will see. F of x1 is equal to f of x2, that implies x1 means here what? 3x1. 3x1 is equal to 3x2 implies, see, 3 get cancelled. X1 is equal to x2, therefore 1. Okay. Now you see which are all 1. F is 1. Okay. F is 1 but not onto. Okay. F is many 1. You cross this. Okay. F is neither 1 means many 1. Cross it. That means answer is between A and C. And let us see for onto also. Okay. Onto. Onto means y. F of x is equal to 3x. Y is equal to 3x. X is equal to y by 3. Okay. Fx is equal to 3x. Fx means y. Y is equal to 3x. If y is equal to 3x, x is equal to y by 3. Okay. Now I will substitute in this. F of y by 3 is equal to 3 into y by 3. 3 cancel. F of x is equal to y has come. When f of x is equal to y is there, this is onto. F is 1 and onto. This is correct. but not onto wrong. Now answer is A. You understand na? See, in objective and all you take this procedure. This will be easy. Square and all comes means immediately you analyze it. In square and all this procedure is not going to help you much. But this is linear only, not square. Okay? Okay. Now we finished exercise 1.2. In the next class we see whatever the concepts of 1.3. After concepts we will do exercise 1.3 also. Okay. Thank you very much.